How to reset your X Twitter feed. Open the X app, tap the search icon and tap inside the search bar. Hit clear all to wipe your recent searches clean. Now tap your profile icon and go to settings and support and then settings and privacy. Find the option that says content you see. Adjust your topics and interests. Follow or unfollow what actually matters to you. See a page posting junk? Tap the three dots next to their tweet and hit mute or unfollow. Boom! Less noise, more peace. Tap the three dots on any post you don't like. Then tap not interested in this post or report. It helps X learn your preferences. Bonus move. Long press the X app, then app information, then storage and clear cache. This refreshes the app and may improve how the feed loads. Keep interacting with tweets you enjoy. Like, retweet, comment, so the algorithm shows you more of what you like. And that's how you reset your X feed like a pro. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.